Hello and welcome to TravelWorldOnline.in. I'm Faisal. First the headlines. Jet Airways plans to take back two Boeing 777s from Etihad. Bird Group to look for more hotel acquisitions in the UK. And Jumeirah to debut in India by 2019 with Mumbai property. Now news in detail. Jet Airways Limited, which plans to enhance its services on the US routes, may ask its strategic investment partner Etihad Airways to return two of its Boeing 777 planes which are currently on lease with a Gulf-based carrier. The private carrier has leased out 7 wide-bodied planes to Etihad, which holds 24% stake in Jet Airways, including 5 Boeing 777-300 ERS, which are used for ultra-long-haul operations. Jet Airways may ask Etihad to return of 5 Boeing 777s which it has leased to the Gulf partner, sources said in New Delhi. Under a commercial cooperation agreement, the two airlines had plans to connect Mumbai to Newark, Bangalore to Chicago and Delhi to New York through Jet Airways overseas hub at Abu Dhabi. Etihad had announced the launch of its second flight to New York from Abu Dhabi with the Jet Airways Boeing 777-300 ER plane from March last year. As per the original plan, Jet Airways was to operate this flight from May 1, 2014, but the plan failed to take off after the US Federal Aviation Administration downgraded India's aviation safety rating. Bird Hospitality, the hospitality division of Bird Group, will explore acquisition of more hotel properties in the UK market. The hotel group already owns a luxury boutique hotel, the Royal Park Hotel in London. Anku Bhatia, Executive Director, Bird Group, said that the group is keen to expand through acquisitions in the UK market if the right products come by. UK is closer to India and we know that market very well, Bhatia said. He added that acquisition is easier as it is easy to find right products that fit into the luxury lifestyle space, a market that the group is interested in penetrating. Dubai-based international luxury hotel chain Jumeirah Group has signed a management agreement with the company for the launch of the Jumeirah Mumbai Hotel, slated to open by 2019, and Jumeirah Goa Hotel thereafter. Both the properties would be newly built. Apart from this, the luxury hotel chain is also searching for potential developers and investors in India who would be interested in having Jumeirah as their operator, along with attractive conversion options simultaneously. That's all for this news bulletin. For more updates, keep watching TravelWorldOnline.in.